Welcome to You Can Do It. We're now looking today at a VW T5.2 2-litre turbo DSG, and we've got an oil leak underneath, and the telltale sign was a bit of this on the ground here when I came back. So we've got an oil leak and we need to have a look, and this video is about checking out where that oil leak is, and then I'll do a subsequent video about fixing it. I have an idea what it is, but let's get underneath and just double check. But it looks and it appears to be coming from this side of the engine. Okay, so first of all, I'll chuck it up on some ramps and then we can get underneath and have a quick look. Okay, I've just driven it up on these are actually our camping ramps, but they're really good for quickly getting underneath the thing. So I just want to make sure, put a chock under one of the back wheels just to make sure it can't roll off. But I'll do that now and then I'll get underneath it. Mats underneath, got that. Let's get underneath there and have a look. Right, look, we're underneath here. This is a drive shaft into the gearbox. That's not leaking from there. Look, there's no oil there. But if we come down under here, look. So we can see, look, it doesn't look like it's coming from here, but we've got oil here, look, and if we go down there, look, look, there you are, it's dripping off there. So that looks to me like it's going to be the crankshaft pulley seal, look, because it's had a new cam belt on it, and it was all dry and clean in there. That's telling me it's a crankshaft pulley seal. Right, and then it's dripping from there onto here. And then it's running down to there. But while we're under here, we'll have a quick look at other things there. So I want to clean that all up. And we'll just run it a bit and just double check, but it is the crankshaft pulley. And then over here, look, I notice here, look, we've got a little bit of oil here. Right, now if I go over here, that looks to me like, yeah, look, that's coming from the mechatronic. So this is oil here, look. So that's telling me that this seal, this is just like a tin cover with a seal underneath it for the mechatronic, and it's 4 bolts that hold that on. But I now know. So you look up there, looks a little bit rusty. So this gearbox has done 400,000 kilometers. So it's probably time to change that box, to change that cover. So I can order a new cover and a new seal, or just a new seal. I might as well put a new cover on it. Looks nice and neat. So that's another video that will be coming. But right now, the main problem is the crankshaft pulley seal. So the next video will be changing the crankshaft pulley seal on a VW 2-litre engine. Now, unfortunately for me, if I get back up here, that basically means I need to take this pulley off. Can you see there? I'll take the drive belt off, and then of course I'm going to have to take the timing belt off. So it's basically like a timing belt change. So I'm going to take the timing belt off to get the sprocket off, to get to the seal behind it. So the first thing first is to go online and order a seal, and then once that arrives, I'll do a nice video about how to change that. But that's actually going to be a bit of a fun little job, that, because, well, it's not really a little job, because that's going to be this off, pulley off, and then basically almost like a cam belt change. But I'll see, hopefully I can do it without actually taking the belt right off. I can just take it off the bottom pulley. But I'll probably have to take the top mounting bolt, the top engine mount off and all that stuff, as if it's doing a timing belt. So I will see you on the next video, but this is just a quick look for where the oil leaks are coming from. So this is the worst one. Here you always get a bit of a clue because which side of the engine it's on. If it's sort of in the middle-ish, then it's usually coming from here. If it's at this side, then it's the pulley seal. If it's the other side, it can either be the mechatronic or the drive shaft oil seals, but they all seem all right. So okay, so I hope this video has been useful. It's a very short, sharp one, but this is leading up to the next video, which will be a crankshaft pulley seal replacement. What I'll do now is I'll just take some rags and I'll clean all that up, and then I'll order the seal, and then when the seal comes, I'll just check that it is actually leaking from there, but it is, so I know that. So anyway, I'm just going to clean it all up so it doesn't dip on the driveway.